What's up, team? Yeah, I'm chilling in a Power Wheel. How cool is this thing? I can tell you firsthand that it is awesome to drive in. But this is what I want to tell you guys, is we are giving 2 of these away at the end of At the Movies, and this is the deal. The first one is going to go to one of our Life Kids, and the second is going to go to a first-time visitor. So we'll be getting this information out this week, but I want to make sure you guys are clear so that you can get people excited about it and answer any questions. Anytime one of our Life Kids brings a visitor to Life Kids, brand new visitor, they're going to get their name entered into the drawing for the Power Wheels. So if they bring 5 kids, they get their name entered 5 times for the Power Wheels. And every visitor that comes that they've brought gets entered as well. So this is a great invite strategy. So we can invite kids and say, hey, listen, you can win a Power Wheels if you come and join me for At the Movies. So that's pretty exciting, and I'm hoping my kid wins. Second thing is, I don't know honestly why we haven't done this before, but those of you who coach the 8:30 or the 5 o'clock experience, you know that sometimes it just takes a lot of time to get the rooms open. And oftentimes we have families waiting at the door, host team families waiting to drop their kids off, and it really is not excellent. So what I would like to do starting this weekend is begin our 6 o'clock on Saturday, our 8:30 and 5 o'clock on Sunday, begin our huddle 5 minutes earlier than normal, which means huddle on Saturday is going to start at 5:30. Huddle on Sunday morning is going to start at 8 o'clock, and Sunday evening at 4:30. Okay? What I would love you guys to do is share that with your teams so that through your communication, you can let each one of them know that they should be there 5 minutes earlier. Just so that nobody's rushing, it's not hectic. We can get things ready to go for our kids and families with excellence. Last but not least, I think this is the last one, is actually, Aaron and I are going to do lead huddle for Saturday night since we are launching Saturdays, but the rest of you guys are going to do huddles for Sunday. And what I want you to do is just continue casting vision for At the Movies and talk about the Power Wheels. We want people to know that this is a big deal. This is a great opportunity that we have to be a part of. It's really fun, and we'll be able to reach more people than ever before. So I'm looking forward to it, and just looking forward to what God has in store this weekend. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you soon.